Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we are out at this house. We are working on some gutters. This particular one, we started out, we cleaned it. It could not get it to release, so I let it fully dry. Now we're coming back with a second treatment as it's dry. Normally, you know, we do it wet, but I'm also actually making the mix a little stronger. This is normally what's considered oxidation. There's some question over what actually causes it, but we're going to call it oxidation for this. But I've got a strong mix, and I'm just brushing it on, and you'll see it just disappear, and then I rinse it off, and I don't even have to use pressure on this because it's just coming right off. So let's watch. Now I'm going to take my ball valve and just rinse it. Not even pressure, just ball valve rinsing it. Now those look like brand new. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.